Hello friend, today I have a Lexus LS430 2006 model. Customer complaint driver door window motor is not working, and also the driver door lock motor is not working. In this video I will show you how to change new motor and how to calibration the driver door motor and how to repair door lock motor. No need to change, only repair. How to repair the door lock motor. This is painter Mr. Johnny, denter and painter. This is the garage for him. Now I remove the cover, this door cover, and this time remove the door lock from the door and show how to repair the door lock. This is the door lock, door center lock. No need to change door lock all assembly, only change the motor inside. Very easy to change. This cover remove. Only this motor problem. Remote, closed door and open door is not working in the remote. This is the motor inside this cover. Now we open the cover and change the motor. This is the motor. This is the problem. Now I fix one use motor. This is one use one I have. And fix back. Put little super glue for fix good. Need little super glue or any glue, but super glue is the best for fixing a good. After fix, we'll wait 5 minutes and now fixing the car and test. It's working good working. Fix back everything and fixing the car. No need to change all parts of the lock. Working very well. Door lock and unlock. Now open the window motor. This is the regulator for window motor and installation of the window motor. When you change a new one motor, they need must installation or program for reset for the auto mode. I remove the motor and how fix new motor. Fix new motor connector to the door connector and on the ignition switch and press button to down one time. Just one time and wait when the motor is stopped. Wait for the motor is stopped. Self will be stopped after 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Then up one time. If the motor is stopped, then off the ignition switch. Okay. Disconnect the connector from the motor and install in the regulator and teeth number 10, 8 and 9. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 9. 8 and 9. And install the motor in same position. In same position. Same this like. This formula for only the driver door motor. I fix everything. Central lock is working and driver door motor auto system also is working good. Thank you for watching. Auto system also is working good.